Hey, welcome back to Intermediate Algebra. Today you've got two cons to do. This is your first one. This is the only one that has the video today, so that's nice. The other one is your first quiz. So let's get started. You already know how to multiply binomials. The only thing is it's not kind of the intro thing. So you'll notice today we start putting numbers and numbers or negatives or both in front of the variables just to make it a little added difficulty, although it's really not that much harder. So first thing we want to do is we still want to set up our generic rectangle, and we put the negative g and -3 here and the 7g plus 3 here. You know, if you were to reverse the order on these two, put the one there and the other here, you still get the exact same result. So don't worry about that if you do that. All right, let's multiply it. What is 7g times -g? Well, that would be -7g squared. What's 7g times -3? -21g. Negative g times 3, -3g. And 3 times -3 is just -9. Put those together. I have a 7g squared. If I add those two together, that becomes -24g, and this one is -9. So -7g squared, -24g, -9. Doing that little quick way up here, not so simple when we have numbers and negatives going on. So again, this is a way that always works right here using the generic rectangles. If you can see it, then great. You can still go for it. But if you can't, generic rectangle always works. Let's do one more. All right, we got this one. Even more complicated. We got bigger numbers in here. We got negatives in here. We got all sorts of things going on. So I believe it's easiest to put together a generic rectangle, so we'll do that right there. Here's our generic rectangle. 6f times 8f is 48f squared. 6f times -9, -54f. 8f times -7, -56f. And -7 times -9 is a positive 63. This one is going to be a 48f. This one's going to be a 63. I need to add this one to this one, which gives me -110f. So 48f squared minus 110f plus 63. That's all there is to it, guys. We'll see you at Hangouts. Bye-bye.